that's a different route. We've never done this route before.
What's different to this? We're going away from it. No, we're going to turn left here. We're throwing in a little detour there. I see it's slightly shorter actually.
Yeah? So we're going left?
Yeah, I see where that car's coming out.
Okay.
And then we get to the end and turn right, and then we're back on the Brock Greeley Road. Well, yeah, I mean, I know, you know, this way, but I just have time. We normally do that? Yeah, it's alright, but it's more mountain bikes and geared to the forest. I can't blame you for that.